play a pig prolog babet yak video hakane ka channel. Allow him to stay. Allow him to stay. Kasih sya'ya'u ban sak. What do you want? What do you want? Kasih pikwa ayo. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. Kasih ngagwa banang English. I want to learn Hindi. I want to learn Hindi. Kasih ngagwa banang Hindi. I want to go to Nagaland. I want to go to Nagaland. Kasih ngagwa banlej sa Nagaland. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Kasih pikwa banbam ayo. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? Kasih pikwa bantet ayo. I want to eat bread. I want to eat bread. Kasih ngagwa banbam roti. I want to buy shawl. I want to buy a shawl. Ngagwa bantet dap mok.